wanna touch base with you, showing you the final outcome of this this big novel about the mid muffler change. I didn't want to spend too much money on this one, honestly. So as you guys must have checked in the previous videos, I did the muffler delete. I didn't like the sound of it. Then I put it back, the stock back. Then I decided to do another change. So these guys ordered me a Magnaflow. I had installed yesterday, and now I'm happy. Now I'm completely satisfied with the results. I think it sounds very good now, and it get, oh my god, look. Woohoo! I'm speechless, honestly. The Durango Srt is a beast. There's nothing else to define this SUV. It's wonderful. I'm completely crazy about it. And this sound of the exhaust now, it just made it vicious. And it gets like very calm, very easy when you just drive it like this. There's no drone. You see? You guys can hear it, right? Look. I'm at 74 kilometers an hour. And it behaves just like another regular car. I'm on sport mode now. Gonna change it to track. I want you guys to have a real idea of what it is like. What? Just wait here in this for the green light. So I really hope you guys, well, anyways, it's all about preferences, right? If you guys wanna do the mid muffler, of course you can do it, but I don't like. I didn't like it. I wouldn't do it on a Durango. Those who can spend lots of money on an exhaust system, by all means, right? You guys can change the headers as well. But no, I wanted to go cheap on this one. Although at the end I spent a little bit more because I should have done this before. Yeah. Oops. Bumpy. Yeah, it gets a little bumpy on the track mode because the suspension a little hardened, so it has to have more control, right? So you cannot be very soft. It's an old Camaro, eh? It definitely puts a smile on your face. Okay, let me let this guy go. Woohoo! So I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be more modes that I want to do on this SUV. I want to put some more stuff on it, change something here and there. I'll keep you guys posted. Like I said before, I just have a few videos, and this channel I just started making some videos more often lately. So if you guys would like to subscribe, I'll be pleased to share with you all the experience I'm gonna have with this SRT, this Durango SRT, and I totally recommend. It's a great family car, sports car as well. I call it car because, you know, it drives like a car and it has all the SUV capabilities. I still have to make a review on this one. I'm gonna show you all the details. I'm gonna be pleased also. Those who wanna know any more, some details, information, please feel free to ask, and I'll share with you all the experience I'm gonna have with it. Okay. I'm gonna all I have to do on this video now next is to show you the cold start and the like warm start, let's say, so you guys have an idea of how it sounds. Okay. Thanks guys. Again, please subscribe to my channel, send me your messages, questions, and by all means I'll be pleased to share with you. Okay, bye bye. Oh, don't forget to like it. Woohoo!